Okay. They waiting on that food. They come out here. Get. No, you need to. They all gonna be running. Mm. Go up some. Don't make him neck stretch like that. Go on. I ain't going in there with you. You got the door? Let me see. They already waiting on you. Look. You want to go in there?
Here. Okay, that's enough. The baby.
Baby.
I think it's the mom.
Don't y'all bite me. Ew. Okay, give him some. I gotta get some more quarters. Hold on.